Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make caramel apples.
And this is what it looks like.
Here's the nut one, caramel chocolate
and this
nut.
is the marshmallow. And
nut.
Here's the chocolate.
You want to wash your apples very well to scrub off any wax, because some grocery stores put wax on the outside of their apples to make it shiny looking, so it looks more appealing. And also, you want to dry it really well, because then the water will act like wax, and when you dip it in caramel or chocolate, the chocolate and caramel will come off. Now we're going to make the caramel sauce.
Ooh, can I help?
Sure, come on.
We're going to put our caramel into hot water. And you don't put the hot water into the caramel because then it'll be
watery. Caramel.
Also, if you're young, you need parental supervision.
It's almost melted.
Look like our caramel is ready.
Since now we're done melting our caramel, making our caramel sauce, we are going to stab the apple. We're going to use chopsticks. You can use a stick. Might need a parent's help. Voila! Now, since our caramel is melted, we will take one of our apples
and dip it in till the whole apple is covered in caramel.
See? Now let's take it out.
After it's mostly covered in caramel, you want to take it out.
If you don't want so much caramel, you might want to let it drizzle like this.
We're going to put dark chocolate into a pan with hot water.
Melting chocolate smells the best.
It looks like the chocolate is ready. We're going to get our apple and put it into the chocolate.
Ooh, it's almost covered.
It looks so
close. Okay, time to do the next. Looks good. Let's put some toppings on it. For this one, let's put some nuts.
And after he's done putting all the toppings on, we're gonna put another one in and then put chocolate around this one. Then we'll drizzle something on this one. That looks funny.
Now let's do this one. This one probably will have nuts too.
How about we put marshmallows? It's not marshmallows, it's marshmallows.
Oh, marshmallows are squishy. That's gonna be some sugary one. Woo.
You should put them in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. Our chocolate caramel apples are done.
Yay!
So which one should we cut?
That one. It's just the most.
We're going to cut this one.
Let's press these aside. This is what our apple looks like after we cut it open, and this looks like a popsicle. Yum. I'm going to try the nut.
I'll try the marshmallow. This was so fun.
I know, right? I like the combination of sweet and apple-y. Can't find the specific word.
If you like this video, please
Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.
See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!